Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Sannappa Rajan. Okay, today we are going to discuss or configure the 24-hour timer in Schneider Gelio PLC. 24-hour timer or clock timer. Okay, so this timer you can use to switch on or switch up your equipments automatically by time basis. Okay, in every day. Okay, so we will start how we can configure this timing in this controller. We'll select the controller. You will select basic module. Okay, so we'll ladder. So in this toolbar you can access this through this clock symbols. You can access, you can configure 8 timings. Okay, so now we will start with one timer. Select timer and click this. Okay, you can see, you can access like you can configure 4 different timings, on off timings. Okay, for per day 24 hours you can configure different four different on off timings. Okay, so even you can select day by day also, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you don't want any days out of 7 day, you can exclude these days also. Okay, for example, now I will configure two channel timing. Okay, okay, so I will configure first timing from 2 o'clock to 7 o'clock, this example. Okay, so second timing I will configure again 7 days. If you don't want to switch on any holidays or something, you can deselect this days, so that particular day it will not switch on. Okay, so keep this in mind. So I will start this from 10 to um, 16. So I have configured two different timings in a day, so it will work in all 7 days in a week. Okay, so now we will start how it will work. So timing is 2 to 7 and 10 to 16. Okay, and every day this will work. So we will connect the output which will start and stop a pump example, like water pump. Okay, now we will see how this is working. Okay, so as I told you, our timing is 2 to 7 and 10 to 16. So now we will check, our timing is 21, so we will change our timing 6 o'clock. Okay, let's see how this works. Now I'm changing the timing. Change the date and time. Here we go. I'm changing the timing to 6 o'clock. Okay, let's keep it 5. So now time is 5:15. So our timer is closed, so our output is on, water pump is on. Okay, so this will keep on working till the off time. Okay, 7 or 7 plus. Okay, or 8 o'clock it should be off. Okay, so again I will change the timing. So I will keep 8 o'clock. By 8 o'clock it should off. So as per timing it will keep on working like on and off. Okay, so you can control your whatever equipment you want to switch on automatically uh, by timing basis. Okay, so this will be very useful. Okay, so If you have any doubt on this configuration, please let me know through comment. Okay, if you are new for my channel, please do subscribe for more videos. Okay, I will meet you in next video with a different subject. Okay, till then, bye from Sanappa Rajan.